This is NAB Show Live.
Hello and welcome to NAB Show Live, brought to you by Broadcast Beat. I'm Tess Protesto.
And I'm Paul Richards, and today we are so excited to be talking with Arri and Ruptly, who are going to be telling us about their broadcasting services that are going on, including FIFA World Cup. So I cannot wait to talk to them. Ahmet, why don't we start with you? Why don't you tell us a little bit about Ruptly and your business?
Yes, so Ruptly is a global multimedia agency. We are headquartered in Berlin and we produce content. So we produce video content and we provide services to a broad range of clients. Just to give a few numbers, we have like around 80,000 videos in our archive until now,
wow,
which were produced with a network of video journalists and producers in the field of around 3,000 people. And this content so far reached around 1,200, so 1,200 clients of different sizes and different, let's say, in different areas of broadcast. So this, of course, requires a versatile platform of distribution. So first of all, of course, production in the field, but then also the delivery to different clients. We provide this content to broadcasters, but also web publishers and bloggers. So just to name a few things that we're really proud of, is I can say that we, last year we won the Golden Stevie for, in the content segment for a video platform for media in 2018, basically. And we, our work with the live platform, so we have a live platform that allows us to bring a high number of live feeds and live events to our clients with only 3 clicks. And this also got us a nomination with the Digiday Media Awards Europe for the live platform. And another thing is we had a big FIFA coverage last year. So this also got us a nomination in the same Digiday Media Awards Europe for the video team. So we had a very big coverage in the FIFA last year and got nominated for this. One of our service offering is our broadcast services. So this, in combination with the FIFA, of course, was also a very big event for us. And we did a lot of operations there and offered to our clients many different services with our broadcast services, which we actually call Ruptly Ops. So Ruptly Ops is our broadcast services department, actually.
Yeah, speaking of Ruptly OPS, you said it's a broadcast services operation. Yes. We wanted to touch about Amira, and where does that fit in with that?
Thomas,
in the Bauhaus production.
Yeah. So as Ruptly Ops, we are offering our broadcast services to worldwide clients. So we have a wide network and we have facilities all over the globe to offer to our clients. From studio operations like live stand-ups, we have, for example, we have studios in Berlin, London, we have Washington studio, we have a studio in Moscow, where we offer live studios with iconic backgrounds for our customers. We are also offering just video production as a la carte services. We are offering SNG productions, and we are offering OB-Band productions. So, and yeah, last year we got a big upgrade in our Ruptly Ops. So we built 2 new cars, one OB-Band, one SNG, which can operate as a single production unit. They are fully integrated to each other. And yeah, we had a quite unique approach in this because we have chosen Arri Amira cameras for broadcasting, and this was quite unique at that time. So yeah, we decided to go with Amira because of their versatility and their image quality. And so this gave us a really good chance to have a wide range of productions. So we have a big versatility in productions. We have a wide So we have no limitations in what we can do with this van. So we can do news production, we can do sport production, we can do really high-class concert productions. which we just recently did. We had, in Germany, there was this 100-year Bauhaus
Yes.
anniversary of the School of Architecture and Design. And we did the opening concert, which was a quite challenging production. So we had just a stage light, and we had just a very, very short time to prepare the production. We had just three hours to set it up because of security reasons, because the president of Germany was speaking before, so we could only go in 3 hours before the production, or before the first rehearsal, but we couldn't do anything then. So yeah, and I think the result was quite amazing. And we also had a screening in cinemas in Germany without any color grading. So we did a live production which was taped and just broadcasted 3 days later in cinemas. So this was quite challenging, and I think the producers were really happy with us. So yeah, I think we have a short video.
We do,
which we could
yes.
show about
Why don't we go ahead and
production.
roll that?
Yeah, let's take a look.
About the Amira cameras, and they were used for the Bauhaus production. Can you tell us about why that was a good fit and some of the video production quality within that?
We're very glad that Ruptly is using our cameras for these kind of productions, and as Thomas pointed out, it were kind of challenging conditions with all the lighting, with the event lighting being very contrasty, and our cameras have the largest dynamic range in the industry, so you can catch these kind of challenging conditions very well and still get the best image quality you can achieve in these conditions. And that is something I think what is for Ruptly also important, that they did not have much time to set up, so they need a flexible camera system, and they need to react on different kind of conditions and different kind of productions very quickly, but still can, as a result, get the best possible image quality.
Right. Wonderful. It sounds like it's a good.
Wow, and I think that's so much fun. I was interested in about this OB van, Thomas. I don't know if you could tell me a little bit about the OB van and why you built that with the Amira cameras from Arri.
Okay, yeah. The OB van was built initially for the World Cup in Russia in last year. So yeah, we have decided in January to build a new OB van to improve our facilities, which we can deploy to Russia for that time. So, and yeah, we took some time in investigating new technologies, and yeah, so we did a quite, I think, from my perspective, was a quite good job, because the production unit worked really well about the integration of both vans. We had this SNG and the OB van, which are integrated, and so yeah, we did a lot of things during the World Cup. Not only,
Right.
especially our Ruptly Ops did a lot. We had facilities in all 11 host countries with studios, with stand-up host cities, sorry, with studios with stand-up positions. At the fan zones, we had stand-up positions for our customers. So and also content-wise, we did really much, because so we had more than 1,400 videos which we produced during the World Cup, which were taken by more than, or which were downloaded more than 16,000 times. And we produced 300 live streams from the World Cup for more than 300 clients, and including some really big broadcasters like ESPN, Fox Sports, HBO, and so on. So yeah, I think the FIFA World Cup did really good for us. So and we were also nominated for the DigiDay Award for the Video Team of the Year about our World Cup coverage.
Wow.
So yeah, I think we have also a small video for this.
We do. Why don't we roll the FIFA World Cup coverage?
So Markus, I understand your cameras were used for this project. Can you tell us a little bit about the challenges and what your cameras offer for this type of event?
I think, when we started the Amira, we designed it in the first place as a VNG style camera, and over time we expanded the functionality into different kind of applications, and especially into the multicam application. And for that matter, our system was always designed as a very open, very flexible system, and that allows our customers also to integrate our system to their system, because we have open interfaces, we are flexible with the tools we can work with. And for that matter, I think it was a good fit for Ruptly, because their requirements for the Orbi van were very specific in terms of weight and in terms of size of the Orbi van, and because they could adjust the certain components they needed for that integration, they could meet these requirements very well.
Excellent. Ahmet, tell us, what's the future for Ruptly Ops?
Yeah.
What can we expect?
I think with all this said, that was a very good example. The FIFA and the Bauhaus production. That was an example of what we're going to do in the future as well. So coming to our strategic alignment and what we see in the future is, so on a technical level, of course, we don't have the luxury to say, okay, we're just gonna do something average. So that's not possible, because we have broadcast clients in the broadcast sector who are nowadays even asking more than 4K. So there is clients who are mentioning, okay, when will you have 4K content, and what about 8K?
We hear you there.
Do you already have a plan? So of course we have a solid strategy to be able to provide our content in 4K in the midterm future, but also services like with the Orbi van. Our Orbi van is fully 4K. But again, coming back to Ruptly Ops, with the Euro 2020 soccer championship coming up, we also improve our facilities. So everywhere in Europe, we will be able to provide services at least with the same quality that we had in FIFA. And we're also expanding in the Asian region. So we are looking right now, or we're establishing right now a studio in Tokyo for the Summer Olympics, again in 2020. And we also are establishing right now a studio in China. So Ruptly Ops is growing, Ruptly Ops is moving forward, and I believe we will achieve a lot.
Excellent.
Wow, I think we have just a couple more minutes. I don't know if Thomas, as the head of product, do you have anything you want to add about the future of Ruptly in this broadcast space?
Sorry,
Is there anything you want to add at the end of the production?
Sorry, it's a...
Yeah, a bit.
What was the question? Production-wise, okay. So yeah, we're really hoping to get more of these productions of like these Bauhaus productions. These are really good, and I think we are well prepared for things like that. And yeah, especially what Ahmet mentioned, the Euro 2020 will be coming soon. So it will be all over Europe. It's the first time it will not be in one country. It will be spread over Europe. So that will be challenging for us. But we have a really good network to cover all those areas, and to deploy our vans and our SNGs to these facilities. So yeah, I think we are well prepared for the future, and yeah.
Markus, is there anything you'd like to add about Amira and the future there?
Sorry, I didn't hear the question again.
So is there anything you'd like to add about Amira and what you foresee in the future?
We're very happy that Ruptly has decided for our camera system, so that was for our product offerings, having a news agency deciding for our cameras was a very nice move, following our strategy that we want to expand more into that broadcast environment. As you may know, we come more from the cinema side of things, like with our other cameras. And the Amira was designed from the beginning as a broadcast camera, and we more and more moved into that business. And Ruptly as a news agency was a great customer for us, to show that there's a great versatility in the Amira capabilities, and what they do with the camera is a great reference for us. They do these kind of shows like Bauhaus and all kind of sports and these kind of things, and for us it's great to have Ruptly as a customer.
What an excellent collaboration.
Yeah, it's so great to hear this. Thank you so much for coming on the show, everybody. This has been so much fun. Really exciting to hear about, from FIFA to all the different cities that you guys are going to be available in globally. It's really exciting.
Thank you.
All right, thank you guys so much for joining us. That was Ruptly with Markus, Thomas, and Ahmet.
And we are live from the NAB show. It's day one here at the NAB show. We're here in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the Central Hall lobby area that we're in. And that was Ruptly and Arri giving us some of the really great details about their international live streaming and broadcast production business. A lot to be learned from this cinematic quality cameras being used in broadcast. It's so much fun. Stick with us, everybody, because we're going to be going to some live interviews on the showroom floor. And next, we're actually going to be talking to LinkedIn. That's right, Microsoft's LinkedIn product is adding live streaming. And Tess is really excited about it, I know.
Absolutely. Let's take it to the show floor with Adrian.